In today's guide, I am going to walk you through the essential process of how to enable SteamGuard on your account. Protecting your digital library is more important than ever, and SteamGuard is the best line of defense against hackers or unauthorized users trying to steal your games, items, or sensitive information. If you value your account and want to make sure your Steam wallet and inventory remain safe, this is a step you simply cannot afford to skip. Before we dive into the technical steps, if you find this tutorial helpful at any point, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech guides for 2026. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process. First, ensure you have the Steam client open on your computer. Once you are logged in, look at the very top left corner of the application window. You will see the word Steam. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, if you are on a Windows machine, you should select Settings. If you happen to be using a Mac, you will see Preferences instead. Clicking this will open up a new interface with various categories. On the sidebar of this new window, ensure you are in the Account section, which is usually the default tab. From here, scan the page until you find the Security section. This area is dedicated to your login protections and is where we manage the core safety features of your profile. Look for the button labeled Manage SteamGuard Account Security and click it. This takes you to the configuration page where you have two primary options for protection. The first option is to get SteamGuard codes by email. This is the classic method where Steam sends a unique one-time code to your registered email address every time you log in from a new or unrecognized device. It is a solid layer of security and much better than having no protection at all. The second and even more secure option is to use the Steam Mobile Authenticator. If you select this, you will need to scan a QR code with the Steam app on your phone. This method is preferred by most users because it allows for instant two-factor authentication right from your mobile device, making it almost impossible for someone to log in without physical access to your phone. Once you have made your choice, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Steam might ask you to verify your email or link your phone number during this phase. Once you receive the confirmation message that SteamGuard is active, your account is significantly more secure against phishing and brute force attacks. It is a quick 5-minute task that provides years of peace of mind. Remember that if you ever lose access to your phone or email, you should have your recovery code saved in a safe place. This ensures you can always get back into your account. Enabling SteamGuard is the first step every gamer should take after creating an account. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helps you keep your library safe from any unwanted access. If this video helped you out today, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future troubleshooting and security guides. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.